Hi, good evening one and all. Welcome to Unacademy. Yes, I am back with next question series of permutations and combinations. As I promised you, I will be dealing today logical reasoning sets regarding permutations and combinations, right? So do try to attend the session and please do try to hit the like button those who joined the class so that I can reach to more number of students there. Yes, am I audible? Please let me know. Yes, I'm audible, right? So before start of the class, let me introduce myself. This is NLN Sharma, and my best CAT score was 99.83 in 2011. And these are my credentials. Now, when you use my referral code NLN10, yes, you will be getting 10% discount and you will be getting guidance of all these subjects from me. Now, why me? I am ranked 12 in overall category of GATE and DSC and rank 1 in math and chemistry category. I have dealt more than 50,000 plus students till date for CAT, UPSC and GATE and DSC. Many students were asking me, sir, what is the difference between plus and iconic and what are the advantages when I choose iconic over plus? One such greatest advantage in iconic is you will be assigned with a coach where you will be getting one-to-one live mentorship program with your mentor and your educator, so that you can speak with them about your difficulties facing during your preparation, where you will be getting best solutions to overcome that. One more greatest advantage, right? Test analysis. Each and every test will be analyzed and your mistakes are identified, and if those mistakes are rectified, automatically your score will be boosted. This is what students need right now, right? Content, it is available on all platforms, right? Guidance, it is available on Unacademy, right? Of course, whatever you get in plus, you will be getting in iconic also. How much you have to invest? If you are choosing plus and if you are opting for 24 month subscription, it will be costing you on an average of 50 rupees per day, the lowest, where you will be getting India's the best educators to teach for you. Now, when you use my referral code NLN10, you will be getting my comprehensive guidance and you will be getting 10% off. After 10% discount, the price will be 35,550. But this is the normal price, but we are giving you a special price, right? So you will be getting flat 20% discount when you use my referral code NLN10. It's not 10%. Now closely observe there, for 24 months the price will be 31,600. Previously it used to be 35,550, right? So beat the price hike. Get this discount, get the quality course, right? Join our courses, right? Of course, the same thing is valid for iconic subscription also, right? You will be getting flat 20% discount when you use my referral code NLN10. And yes, do try to write this All India Mock CAT 2022, right? Where you can assess yourself where you are, right? And this will be the exact level of examination toughness, right? So the next mock will be on October 9th. Right? Unlock the All India Mock Test CAT 2022 using with my referral code NLN10. Yes. Chalo, let's start the questions here. 1 second. Let's. Yes. Now this is the set which is based on permutations and combinations, right? No, Shruti, already this is class 5, right? Already I have done the basics. You can go back to the previous sessions and watch those sessions there, right? So observe the set carefully, beta. I will solve the first two questions. From next two questions, you have to solve for me, right? At the 4-day Asian Nostalgia Film Festival. Now, this film festival happened for 4 days, it seems. At the 4-day Asian Nostalgia Film Festival, 12 movies must be scheduled to be shown one after the other, one every morning, afternoon, and evening to 10 judges. So, totally, how many movies are there? 12 movies, it seems. I'll write down the data here. Right? So, how many judges are there? 10 judges are there. Now, this movies must be hosted in this pattern, right? How many days? 4 days. So, one morning, afternoon, evening. Three movies in a day. One morning, afternoon, evening. One morning, afternoon, evening. So this is the pattern of posting the shows there. Okay, fine. Observe the next. To 10 judges who will then vote for their choices. There are 50 VIPs, it seems. Okay, there are 50 VIPs who are invited to the festival and can buy tickets for whichever movie they wish to watch. So totally how many VIPs are there? 50 VIPs are there. I'll write down the data here so that it will be helpful for the next questions. Take a screenshot of this so that for next questions it will be helpful. Now, 3 of the 12 movies, out of these 12 movies, Avara, Barsat and Indian and Caravan were Indian movies, and they received A, B and C votes respectively, it seems. Okay, fine. What is the first question asked? In how many ways could the schedule be arranged so that Avara is shown before Barsat is the question asked. Is there any point called immediately before Barsat? No, it might be immediately before Barsat, it might be before Barsat, right? Both conditions should be taken there. Okay, fine. So let us suppose take, right? So as there are 12 movies, it is very difficult to arrange them in a layman process. Let us suppose take better, right? Let us go with a simple example. I'll change this question there. Mere paas only 3 movies are there. Mere paas, there are only 3 movies. If there are only 3 movies, how will you arrange those 3 movies? Let us suppose take those 3 movies are A, B, C. A, B, C. How will you arrange them? Observe there A, B, C. A morning show, B afternoon, C evening. Is it A, C, B? Yes. Now chalo next one B, A, C. Next one is B, C, A. Am I right or wrong? Do we get 6 arrangements there? Can anybody confirm me in the comment section box? C, A, B. Now C, B, A. If there are only 3 movies, those 3 movies can be arranged in this pattern there. Let us suppose that those 3 movies are Avara, Barsat, Caravan only. So apply your given question condition. Avara is shown before Barsat. Now see here, Avara is shown before Barsat. This condition will satisfy here. Avara is shown before Barsat. Yes, this condition will be satisfied here. Any other? Yes, here also. Avara is shown before Barsat. So out of 6 choices, 3 choices, your condition is getting satisfied. Am I right or wrong? So see here 3 factorial. You divide it by 2. Automatically that will be your answer there. Am I right or wrong? Yes or no? Please let me know. Yes, perfectly. Now, so see, this is just likewise in lab experiment. मैंने छोटा सा experiment lab पर कर दिया. So I will write down the graph sheet for the original experiment. I will do the same thing there. Now see here, if there are 12 movies and those 12 movies should be arranged in 12 factorial ways. Am I right or wrong? In this exactly half will be having this condition. Am I right or wrong? So if there are 3 movies, 3 factorial by 2. If there are 12 movies, 12 factorial by 2 will be your answer there, and my option number 2 gets satisfies there. I hope so. I am clear regarding this. Perfectly done na? Yes or no? Please let me know. Yes, perfectly. And the second option is right. Let's go for the same data beta, right? Same data. I'll go for the second question. I'll solve the second question also. From third question, I'll give you 2 minutes for each and every question you have to solve for. Right. Now, what is the question asked? In how many ways could you schedule? So, is my voice audible? Please confirm me in the comment section box. Yes, my voice is audible. In how many ways could the schedule be arranged so that Avara is shown before Barsat? Rajkumar, right? You can watch the same video again, right? If you have any doubt in particular, please post me in the comment section box. Don't give me a blank comment that didn't understand, right? What did, so क्या point पर आप समझ नहीं आ गया बोलो? Then I'll explain that point there. So that Avara is shown before Barsat and after Caravan, it seems. So see here, Avara is shown before Barsat and after Caravan, it seems. So this must be the condition there. Let us suppose take If you have only 3 movies, if only 3 movies are there, so what will be the arrangement there? Already you have done that arrangement there. How many of you know this? See here, A, B, C, and if those 3 movies are A comma B comma C, what will be the arrangement? Just now you have written na A, B, C, A, C, B, B, C, A, B, A, C, right? C, B, A, C, A, B. So if you have only 3 movies with you, and these 3 movies can be arranged in 6 ways, am I right or wrong? Arranged in 6 ways, and your question condition is satisfying in only one way. Am I right or wrong? Matlab, if you have 3 movies, these 3 movies can be arranged in 3 factorial ways, and in those 3 factorial ways, there is only one way of your question satisfying condition there, C, A, B. Similarly, now how many movies do you have in your question? There are 12 movies there. So these 12 movies can be arranged in 12 factorial ways. So automatically how many combinations will be there which satisfies this given condition called CAB. So your answer is nothing but equal to 12 factorial by 3 factorial. Is it that? Yes, this is your answer there. And your option number 1 satisfies there. Perfectly done. Better, right? So see here, nobody can reach my quality level, right? So out of ego, whatsoever you feel there. So my question level quality, right? Yogesh Rautala, right? What is the weightage matlab? It can be 6, 7 questions also, right? Done. There will be LR set also. Since last 3 years, there is an LR set based on PNC. Now, I am expecting you guys to answer this question beta. Let's see how many can answer this. I'll be giving you 2 minutes for the same data. So once take the screenshot of this basic data. Take a screenshot of this basic data. Keep it with you and answer this question there. 2 minutes. Entire permutations and combinations in one set. So please do try to hit the like button here so that I can reach to many very good aspirants, right, who are serious for the CAT examination. Let's see how many can solve this. In how many ways? So see here in PNC, break them into simple parts, answer those simple parts, and then connect all those things, you will get the answer perfectly. In how many ways could the schedule be arranged so that there is not more than one Indian movie on any given day? Not more than one Indian movie means, see here, maximum one only. It cannot go beyond. Of course, there can be 0 also. This is valid, right? So this is the condition there. How many of you got this? Let's see how many can answer this. It is Bhavesh today, Pralay Mehta, Dubey, only Raghav came. "40 seconds more." So be active. So don't worry about that whether your answer is going wrong, right? Nobody can is a judge you, right? Is there to judge here. So correct yourself where you are going wrong. That's what we can do now. 30 seconds more. Any answer? Ab dekho beta, this is the thing that we have, right? So these movies should be played in this pattern there. Each day 3 movies. Am I right? Yes, perfect. Any answer for this? Now see here. What is the condition given there? In how many ways could the schedule be arranged? Arranged. The question asked is arranged, so that there is not more than one Indian movie on any given date. So how many Indian movies do we have? We have 3 Indian movies: Avara, Barsat, Caravan. So to play these Indian movies, first of all, out of 4 days, I need 3 days. Am I right or wrong? First of all, out of this day 1, day 2, day 3, day 4, I need 3 days. Will you accept with me? Perfectly. So see here, out of 4 days, I will select 3 days. Now, in those 3 days, which movie should be played? You should know. Am I right or wrong? Yes. So you have selected 3 days. In those 3 days, which day will be Avara, which day will be Barsat, which day will be Caravan. This will be arranged in 3 factorial ways. Am I right or wrong? So finally 4p3. This is 4p3. Ab dekho ध्यान से over. Indian movies are over. Let's come to the next one. So how many movies are left over? 9 movies are left over. How many slots are left over with you? 9 slots are left over, but on different days. So see here, this 9 slots will be arranged in 9 factorial ways. But there are duplicities beta, right? See here. So on 3 days, there will be only 2 slots left over. On 1 day, there will be 3 slots left over. So 2 factorial into 2 factorial into 2 factorial into 3 factorial. Am I right or wrong? Please let me know. 4 days are done na? Is it clear? Again, अब देखो बेटा, now see here what you have done there. Let us suppose take in, you have allocated the movies for the days. Now you have arranged the movies for the, which day which movies. But you have to know on morning show which show should be happen, on afternoon show which movie should happen, on evening show which movie should happen. Am I right or wrong? So see, this 4p3 indicates that on Monday Avara is placed. On Tuesday, Barsat will place. Which show beta? Morning, afternoon, again you have to arrange them. So each and every day will be arranged in 3 factorial ways. Each and every day will be arranged in 3 factorial ways. Am I right or wrong? Again, at last, finally, how many of you got this logic there? So finally, my answer will be, this is the way of arranging 12 movies so that not more than one Indian movie is played on any given day. 9 factorial by, so 2 factorial into 2 factorial into 2 factorial, 3 2 factorials into 3 factorial. Am I right or wrong? Yes, perfectly. Into 3 factorial whole to the power of 4. So did you got the logic there? So which option satisfies here beta? Now see here 4p3. Yes, your option number 1. So Iman gave me the answer there. Excellent. Iman gave me the answer there. First option is the answer. Excellent. Let's come to the next one. Let's see, right? So let's see how many can answer this question. Same data, right? We have 12 movies, 50 judges, right? ABC number of votes. Now what will be the answer here? I'll write down the simple data. In how many ways can the schedule be prepared such that in exactly one of the evening shows an Indian movie features? So first of all, the total movies are played in this pattern there, morning, afternoon, evening for 4 days. Morning, afternoon. So I'm just writing down the data beta. Now how many evening shows do we have? We have 4 evening shows. These are the evening shows. Let's see how many can identify this. Let me know the answer there. I've given you the basic data. So this class, you will be exposed with the best quality questions which you might have not seen previously. So in how many ways can the schedule be prepared such that in exactly one of the evening shows an Indian movie features? In exactly one of the evening shows. Yeah, Jeet, right? So you asked me the same doubts at the end of the class, right? By 10:55, I'll answer all your doubts. In the middle of the class, please, let us not disturb the class. Or you can post me in the Telegram group, you can post me in the communities, right? No answer for this. Oh, kya ho gaya? Nobody answered this. So how many evening shows are available? 4 evening shows are available. Okay, out of this 4 evening shows, I have to select one evening show. right? So see here, this one. Out of 4 evening shows, I have to select one evening show. Yes or no? Perfectly. So how many things will be there? Monday, first day, second day, or third day, or fourth day? So you have selected a slot there. So how many movies do we have chance? Avara or Barsat or Caravan? 3 chances. Am I right or not? Let us suppose that out of these 4 days, आपने A slot select किया. इस slot पर A or B or C should be played. So how many chances there? 3 chances. Done. हो गया. Remaining 2 Indian movies should be damn surely played in this morning 2 shows only. Am I right or wrong? How many morning shows are there? 8 morning shows are there. Out of these 8 slots, I have to select 2. And again I have to arrange them. Am I right or wrong? 2 factorial, right? So let us suppose take 2 मैंने select किया. It can be B here, C here. It can be B here, C here. 2 factorial. Am I right or wrong? So up to here I'll write down for Indian movies. 4C1 into 3 into 8C2 into 2 or 2 factorial. Both are correct. Don't worry about that. Come to the next one. Now, what about the remaining movies there? Remaining, how many movies are left over? 9 movies are left over, beta, apart from Indian movies. Those 9 movies will be in 9 factorial ways. That's the answer there. Now, see here, 8C2 into 2 will be how much, beta? 8P2. 4C1 into 3 will be how much? 12. So, my answer is 12 into 8P2 into 9 factorial. How many of you got this logic there? Please let me know. Yes, perfectly now. So what is the answer there? 12 into 8pt into 8p2 into 9 factorial. And your option number 1 is correct. So how many of you gave this answer correct? Yes, perfectly done. Let's come to this point. This is very easy question. I hope so you can answer this fatafat. 30 seconds is more than enough to answer this question here. So totally 11 questions are there in this set. The next question also we will be having a logical reasoning set which was asked in one test series. I got the questions which were asked in a test series only in 2018. If each of the 10 judges, so how many judges are there? 10 judges are there, is allowed to vote for any number of movies, how many different values could A plus B plus C take is the question asked. Okay, 66. No, yeah, Raghav, you have think in a different way, but that is not the correct. If each of the 10 judges is allowed to vote for any number of movies, but how many different values? So see here, A, B, C, what is the minimum value? A plus B plus C, beta. A plus B plus C का minimum value बोलो. A plus B plus C का maximum value बोलो. A, B, C are nothing but the number of votes for Avara, Barsat, Caravan. Am I right or wrong? Avara, Barsat or Caravan? That's the question asked, right? A, B, C are nothing but the votes that Avara, Barsat, Caravan got. Anybody? Is there any condition that this judges have to vote at least one vote to any movies? No, there is no such condition there. So the minimum value will be 0. What will be the maximum value? Let us suppose take all the 10 judges voted for A, all the 10 judges voted for B, all the 10 judges voted for C, because they can vote for any number of movies is the valid condition there. So what will be the maximum value there here? 10, 10, 10. So minimum value is 0, 0, 0. So max value is 30. So your answer can be from 0 to 30. So how many values are possible? 0 to 30 matlab, is it 31? Yes, it is 31, and option number 4 satisfies there. Perfectly done. It is not 66, right? So देखो, every question has a twist. So don't miss the twist there, okay? Sure. Let's go for the next one. Now Raghav, whatever you have said in the previous question, this will work out for this question there. Alok Thakur, it is not 66, it is 31. Now it will work out. Ab dekho. Now observe for this question. If each of the 10, now see here A, B, C separately it seems. A, B, C separately now. It is not A plus B plus C. If each of the 10 judges is allowed to vote for any number of movies, there is no restriction that only one movie should be, two movies should be, any number. How many combinations of values of A, B, C are possible? How many combinations of A, comma, B and C are possible, it seems. Let us suppose take this is A, this is B and this is C. अब देखो बेटा, this is for A beta. Now for this A movie, Avara, see here, what is the combination of the values? So see here, if no judge vote for them, they will get 0 votes. If all the judges vote for them, they will get 10 votes. So the number can be from 0 to 10. Am I right or wrong? So A can get a value of 0 to 10. So how many values are possible? 11 values are possible. I hope so you are getting my point there. Now see here, this is B and this is C. Now let me know the value for this. Let me know the same case is valid for B and C also, right? 11, 11. Will you accept with me? So totally how many combinations of values do you get there? 11 into 11 into 11. Is it 1331? 1331 combinations of values you will be getting there for A, B, C possible. And your option number 3. Right? So think in a general way, you can answer the questions fatafat. Yes, 1, 3. Yes, yes, Alok. Yes, Alok. Yes, Vidhu Singh. Yes, very good. Now let me know answer for this. Now how many can I will not interfere in any way. I will not give any lead also. Right? So 3 different questions asked on the same pattern. 3 different questions asked on the same pattern. So see here, half an hour is over within a fraction of a second, right? That's what if you do the best questions, right? We don't know the time also here. One minute more. Any answers for this? One minute more, yeah. Seconds more. Three, 4. No, beta, right? Okay, what is the question asked? Ab aaram se dekho, what is the question asked? If each of the 10 judges ends up voting for exactly one movie, so how many combinations of A, comma, B and C are possible? Let's suppose take, right? Now देखो बेटा, A plus B plus C. Now see here, let us suppose take this 10 judges can vote for Avara, can vote for Barsat, can vote for Caravan, can vote for any other movie also. Am I right or wrong? So see here, A plus B plus C plus D must be equal to 10. Am I right or wrong? Please let me know, right? So there will be a condition there where these 10 judges will vote for other movie also. Will you accept with me? Please let me know, yes or no. Yes or no, please let me know. So I write on D in 10. So see, is this nothing but call your distribution concept? Can we use my distribution concept to find out the combination value there, or we call it as Bose-Einstein separators? Bose-Einstein separators, right? How many of you got the idea there? Or we call it as Bose-Einstein separators, right? We have solved a similar type of question in the previous class also. What's your answer there? No, it's not A, Jeet. Ab dekho. There are 10 points there. There are 4 persons. How many partitions do we need? 3 partitions. So total available number of blocks are 10 plus 3, 13 blocks are available. So these 13 blocks are arranged in 13 factorial ways. Are there any duplicities there? Yes, there are duplicities there. 10 factorial into 3 factorial. Or otherwise, you can use this concept called n plus r minus 1 if you know the formula, but I never suggest formula for you. C r minus 1. This concept also can be used, right? So I don't expect you guys to use this concept there. So automatically 13 into 12 into 11 divided by 6 is your answer there. So 6 ones are 6 twos are, so 13 22s are. So is it 286? Yes, it is 286, and your option number 2 satisfies there. So how many of you got the same answer there? Exactly one movie only, it seems. So see here, this exactly one movie means A, B, C plus D must be equal to 10. Yes. Let's come to this question there. How many VIPs are there? 50 VIPs are there. Let's see how many can answer this one. Aaron, why to say sorry here? No need of sorry. Mr. Lee is one of the VIPs invited and has received the final schedule. In how many ways can he choose to watch some or all of the movies on the first 2 days itself, it seems? By first 2 days, how many movies will be played? 6 movies will be played. I'll write down this one. 6 movies will be played. I gave the lead also. Now you can answer this question fatafat and very easily. Let's see how many can answer this. One minute more. "22 seconds more here." Any answer for this? Nobody. Ab dekho beta, first of all, see here. Mr. Lee is one of the VIPs invited and has received the final schedule. In how many ways can he choose some or all the movies? Let us suppose take Lee didn't like any movie here. So out of 6 movies, he will not go to any movie. This is one combination. If he likes one movie, he will go to that movie 6C1. If he likes 2 movies, he will go 6C2. So see here, all these are different combinations should be added. So finally, if he likes all the 6 movies, he'll go for the all 6 movies. But according to the given question condition, he has to watch some or all movies, it seems. So there is no such condition called 0. You have to eliminate this. So finally, this is NC0 plus NC1 plus so on up to NCN is 2 to the power of n. 2 to the power of 6 minus 1 will be the answer there. And is this 63? Yes, it is 63, and your option number 2 satisfies there. So how many of you got the logic there? Perfect, simple question there. Let's come to the next one. 1.9. Two more questions are there. Let's see how many can solve this. 2 minutes. Again, one of the finest question there, right? Simple logic. Those who can crack the logic can answer the question fatafat. Mr. Bond is one of the VIPs invited, okay, and has received the final schedule, okay. In how many ways can he choose to watch? Can he choose to watch exactly 6 movies, including at least one Indian movie? At least one Indian movie, right? I already explained you how to solve this, right? Go with backward flip. Write down total ways. Write down total ways. Subtract no Indian movie combinations. 0 Indian movie combinations. Then automatically all the answers start with at least one only, na? At least one only, na? I gave you the lead there. Now let me know the answer there. 1 minute more. Are yaar, 99% of the data I am only solving, na? 1 minute more. So Raghav, as I said there, right, I will increase the toughness of the questions here, right? If you are aiming at CAT, you have to solve this type of questions only, right? Right? Oh, simple, easy wala questions, making yourself happy and leaving the class. That doesn't make any sense. You should improve your bar, increase your bar of toughness for sure. If not, chhod do, right? So you cannot attempt Asia's toughest examination. 15 seconds, 14, 13, 12, Alok, Raghav, Vidhu Singh, the answer. अरे भाई, I gave you the entire things ना. So आपके पास कितना movies था totally? There are 12 movies. In those, Bond watches exactly 6 movies, 12C6. Now minus, let us remove the Indian movie combinations, right? So remove Indian movies. Out of 12, there are 3 Indian movies. Now see here, is this 9? Remaining movies 9C6. If you subtract this automatically, that will be the answer there. Is there any option there? Yes, your option number 1 satisfies there. Asia's toughest examination, UPSC, IIT, JEE, GATE and UCAT here. These are the toughest examinations. Right? चलो ये क्वेश्चन सॉल्व करो. जीत बेटा. Banu, right, you have to watch the first session, right? Unless until you cannot understand this, right? Pehle session par, if you are strong in the basics, you can answer this question series. If you are not strong in the basics, chalo beta, right, watch the basics class and come to this class. This is question series class, aim 99%. We have solved a similar type of question day before yesterday, right? So I have changed the wording of this question, that's it. Remaining all are same. If there are only n is equal to 50 seats, there are only 50 seats it seems for the VIP audience at the screen where Avara is playing, at the screen where Avara is playing, for what value of n would there be the most different ways of selecting the audience? Most different ways means maximum. Different ways of selecting the audience it seems. Selecting the audience. Now see here for our, so I'll not give any lead there, right? I'm expecting you guys to answer the question. So you are asked to find out the value of n, not the complete value there. Don't get confused. You are asked to find out the value of n. Tomorrow, day after tomorrow, we are going to solve logical reasoning sets regarding permutations and combinations. Do try to attend the sessions there. Any answer for this? अब देखो, let us suppose take, right, there are 50 seats. If nobody came to Avara movie, is it 50C0? Right? If only one audience came, is one seat will be filled. If two audience came, two seats will be filled, and these two seats can be filled in 50C2 ways. They can sit anywhere there. So on, so on, so on, so on, up to 50C 50. If the complete show is house full, it is 50C 50. And you are asked to find out most different ways of selection, it seems. So how many terms will be there? 0 to 50. How many terms will be there? Will there be 51 terms? Yes, there will be 51 terms. Now, as I said there, this is nothing but called row of an Pascal triangle. In any row of Pascal triangle, the exact middle value will be maximum. Am I right or wrong? So let's suppose take 50 per 51 values will be there. I'll take down this as 24, 0 to 24. This is 25, and automatically 26 to 50 will be having again 25 values, right? 25, 25, 50, and this is the middlemost value there. So see here, your answer should be 50C 25, right? Now this is the maximum value, but you are asked to find out the value of n beta, not the answer there. Value of n is 25, right? 50CN, this is the n value there, and your option number 4 satisfies here. Of course, I hope so. You got my point there. Yes or no? Perfectly done. Let's come back to the next question there. So let's solve the remaining questions what we have left over, right? So this is the question there. Let's see how many can solve this. 2 minutes. There are 3 questions. We'll solve it and then I'll end the class. Okay. Sheetal invites. So I'll not. No. You are asked to find out the value of n, Raga. Your answer is right, but the question asked is what is the value of n? Now you have answered the maximum value, most possible values. Forty seconds more. Any answer for this? Sheetal invites 10 of her friends for lunch and places 5 of them at a round table and the remaining 5 at another round table. Okay. Find the total number of ways in which she can arrange all her 10 friends is the question asked. That's an easy question, na? This I took it from time test series beta, some around 4 years back. I have questions from 2008, all the test series, right? All the questions. 10 seconds more. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5. Nobody. Sheetal invites 10 of her friends. 10 of her friends for lunch and places 5 of them at a round table and the remaining 5 at, let us suppose, take. So 2 round tables are there, it seems. This is 1 round table. This is 1 round table. So out of 10 members, she has selected 5 members and she has kept them into this table there. So this 5 members can be arranged in 4 factorial ways, n minus 1 factorial now. And the remaining 5 members will go to this table and they will be arranged in 4 factorial ways. So finally your answer is 10C5 is nothing but equal to 10 factorial by 5 factorial into 5 factorial will be 5 factorial whole square. This is the value, and first table they are arranged in 4 factorial ways, and the second table also 4 factorial ways, and this is 4 factorial whole square, and your option number B satisfies there. I hope so. I am clear regarding this. B. Done. Clear. Perfectly done. Chalo, let's go for the next one. Yes, we'll go for the next one. So this one, this is one of the finest question here. Let's see how many can solve this. So damn surely you'll be at 99 plus percentile, right? Raghav, circular table arrangement should be first person should be arranged in one way and remaining will be in n minus 1 on a circular table. 4 factorial whole square. It's not 5 factorial whole square. Yes. Aram say. Don't jump into conclusions immediately. 59, 56, 55. Sir, what computer applications only, right? BCA course. Matlab. First of all, is BCA valid? 5760. Is it true? Any answers for this? Five seven six zero. I think so. It's not correct answer here. Let's see. A boat is to be manned by 8 men, it seems, of whom one cannot row. So first of all, everybody know. So half of the persons will row and half of the persons will stroke, right? So this is bow side and this is stroke side. And they go 8 men are there, automatically 4 should bow and 4 should be on stroke side. Any point given there, one cannot row on bow side, it seems. The person who cannot row on bow side should be damn surely on stroke side. Okay, finally done, fixed here. Now, 2 cannot row on stroke side. The persons who cannot row on stroke side should be damn surely on row bow side only. In how many ways can the crew be arranged, it seems? In how many ways? So, totally how many slots are left over? 5 slots are left over. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Am I right or wrong? How many persons are left over? So 5 persons are left over. Am I right or wrong? So this 5 slots will be arranged in 5 factorial ways. And are there duplicities? Yes, there are duplicities because here 2 factorial and here 3 factorial. Am I right or wrong? Yes, perfectly. And again, you have to arrange those both side also. This 2 can be here, can be here, can be here. So this is 4 factorial. And again, this is also 4 factorial. I hope so you are getting my point there. So this is how much beta? Yes. Raghav, your answer is right. 5, this is 10. 10 into 24 into 24 is nothing but 576. And my answer is 5760. Yes, true. Raghav gave me the correct answer. Sorry, beta, right? You gave me the correct answer. Option number D is true. Chalo, perfectly done. Let me know how many can answer this. 2 minutes. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Fifteen, 14, 10, 9, 8. ओवन ये क्या हो गया आपको? In how many ways is it possible to choose two white squares so that they lie in the same row or same column on an 8 into 8 chessboard? It seems. Let us suppose take this is an 8 into 8 chessboard here. Now see here, in let us suppose take I'll take down one row, right? So how many white squares will be there? So there will be 8 checks. Out of that, 4 checks will be there, right? So I can select out of 4 2 checks, right? So how many rows are possible like this? 8 rows. Am I right or wrong? Yes. So is it 8 6 or 48? Yes. So this I am writing down for rows. Similarly, I have to check for columns also, right? How many columns will be there? 8 columns will be there. Now see here asked row or column. Or means two separate cases. Rows and columns are separate cases. So columns, 8 columns will be there, and in those each column 4 white squares will be there. Out of that you have to select 2. So it is 48. So I have to add those two conditions and my answer will be 96. So how many of you got the answer same there? Is it true? Perfectly done, na? Chalo, let's go for the next one. Yeah, yes. Let's see how many can answer this. So tomorrow I'll come up with one more LR set. Let's crack those, right? Two more questions, beta. Two more questions, I'll end this. अरे अरे क्या हो गया भाई? ये वाला लिटरेचर क्लास नहीं है. आस्क मी आंसर, राइट? अब साहित्य एकेडमी क्लास पर जाओ, राइट? आपकी पोएट्री लिखो उधर. ये वाला मैथ क्लास था. नोबडी कैन अंडरस्टैंड दिस. In how many ways can the letters of the word result be arranged so that the vowels appear in even places only, it seems? 1 minute more. So please do try to hit the like button here. I am getting very less likes, right? Students are more than 40. Expecting more number of likes. Twenty seconds more. 16, 15, 14, 15, 12, 48. Is it so? Rohit Kundu and result, it seems. Let's suppose take it. R is a consonant, E is a vowel, S is a consonant, U is, oh sorry, S is consonant, U is vowel, L is consonant, and T is consonant. So R, E, S, U, L, T. So this is odd position, even, odd, 4, 5, 6. So vowels appear in even places only. How many even places do we have? 3 even places. 2, 4, 6. Out of this, I have to select any 2. And I have to arrange those. EU, EU. Right? These are vowels. 3C2 into 2 is nothing but equal to 6. Let us come to consonants. So how many consonants are there? 4 consonants are there and 4 slots are left over. I have to do it in 4 factorial ways, right? So I think so your internet is not very good here. Go with the better internet service, Sumit. Right, 24 into 6 will be your answer there, and the option number D will be correct. Raghav gave me the answer there. Rohit gave me the answer there. And you asked we answer, right? I don't know, right? In what way you thought and gave that answer? That's completely blunder, right? So we have done this question. We have done this question. Did we missed? Yes. This question, last question, beta. Last question. Let's see how many can solve this. Last. So those who attended the class, right? Please do try to hit the like button here. Come under my guidance, right? I will be taking care of each and everything for your preparation. You can check my credentials, right? Even I taught in Kashmir also. Last question of the day. आज का सेशन फटाफट हो गया भाई 1 घंटे. $45 seconds more. Any answer for this? $840. Very good. Excellent. Excellent. Any other answers apart from that? Only Vasist is giving right. $1024. In how many ways can a mixed doubles tennis game be arranged from 8 married couple? Mixed doubles means in one game there will be 2 men and 2 women. Am I right or wrong? Yes, perfectly. From 8 married couple. If no husband and wife play in the same game. Right? Yes, Vaibhav, you can prepare IP mat from this page there. Let's suppose take, right? 8 married couples means totally how many males will be there? 8 males will be there and 8 females will be there. Let's suppose, let's start selecting there. Out of 8 men, if I select 2 men, so their respective wife should be eliminated. So how many choices will we have for female? Only 6. 6C2. This is one way. So see, let us suppose take आपने M1 M2 select किया, so W1 W2 will be eliminated. So will the same combination will work out? Now I'll come from females. 8C2. Out of 8 I have selected 2 females. Let us W2 W3, it can be anything there. So their respective husband should be eliminated. 6C2. Am I right or wrong? So 2 combinations. I have this. So finally 2 into 8C2 into 6C2 will be the answer there. Same. Syllabus is same, but the toughness will be higher for cat. Right? And the answer will be 840 beta. A option. Okay? Chal. Let's continue in the next class. I hope so you have liked the questions there. Right? Yes. Now, as you all know, I deal with CAT, UPSC and GATE and ESC category. If you wish me as your guide, you can use my referral code NLN10 for plus subscription. You can use my referral code NLN10 for iconic subscription. Yes, you can unlock combats using with my referral code NLN10 AMT, right? All India mocks. You can unlock free classes on Unacademy using with my referral code NLN10. The price for plus for 12 months will be 24,750 after discount when you use my referral code NLN10. But this is the normal price, but right now we are giving you flat 20% discount when you use my referral code NLN10. And yes, up they go. Now the 12 months price is 22,000 only. You will be saving 2,050 rupees, right? 500 rupees. And you will be accessing the best quality courses. And the same is applicable for Iconic also. These are the prices of Iconic after 20% discount when you use my referral code NLN10. And do try to join my special classes here, right? So I'm dealing the best study sessions there, right? Do try to hit the like button, share my classes if you like it so that I can reach to more number of audience. Subscribe to the channel, hit the bell icon to get the updates, download the PDF from the Telegram group, right? Thank you and have a nice day. You are in class 8, don't read here. Be happy for some life, right? At least you should read from 11th class now.